trying to figure out the square root of x plus the square root of y, what that value is. So clue 1 says x plus y is 15. Well, that doesn't work because there's just a whole bunch of different values. X could be 1 and y could be 14. X could be 9 and y could be 6. That doesn't work. Clue 2, same thing, square root of xy. That doesn't work either. Equals 6. Because you got too many possibilities. Let me see, is that right? Square root, that'd be 36, yeah. The square root of 36 is 6. That means x and y could both be 6, or one could be 9 and one could be 4. Too many possibilities. So now what we have to do is put clue 1 and clue 2 together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for either x or y. It doesn't matter, I'll solve for y in this top equation. So y equals 15 minus x. Now take this expression and plug it in there. So you got the square root of x times y, which is 15 minus x, equals 6. And I want to get rid of my radical, so you square both sides. And that gives you x and 15 minus x equal 36. Now, you would have saved time if you went on and in one step cleared your radical and got rid of your parentheses. But for informational purposes or explaining this, I'm showing all my steps. 15x minus x squared. Now, this is a quadratic because your highest exponent is 2. You need to get 0 on one side, so I'm going to move everything to the right because I want my x squared to be positive. Subtract 15x, add 36. Just brought that down. Now you need to factor this, x and x, and then a negative 12 times a negative 3 is a positive 36, and a negative 12x and negative 3x is a negative 15x. I just factored that. So what's the only way you multiply two numbers together and get 0? That means either x minus 12 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. So that means x is 12 or x equals 3. And this is going to work because if you let x be 12, if you plug it back in this top equation, if x is 12, that means y is 3. If I let x equal 12, y equals 3. If x is 3, that means y is 12. So you can find the value of square root of x plus the square root of y.